Single quotes versus double quotes in Python. According to the documentation, they're pretty much interchangeable. Is there a stylistic reason to use one over the other?
I like to use double quotes around strings that are used for interpolation or that are natural language messages, and single quotes for small symbol-like strings, but will break the rules if the strings contain quotes, or if I forget. I use triple double quotes for doc strings and raw string literals for regular expressions even if they aren't needed. For example,
quoting the official docs at this URL. In plain English, string literals can be enclosed in matching single quotes or double quotes. So there is no difference. Instead, people will tell you to choose whichever style that matches the context and to be consistent. And I would agree, adding that it is pointless to try to come up with conventions for this sort of thing because you'll only end up confusing any newcomers.
I used to prefer comma especially for doc strings, as I find this creates some fluff. Also, can be typed without the shift key on my Swiss German keyboard. I have since changed to using triple quotes for doc strings, to conform to PEP 257.
I'm with Will. Double quotes for text, single quotes for anything that behaves like an identifier, double quoted raw string literals for rejects, triple double quotes for doc strings. I'll stick with that even if it means a lot of escaping. I get the most value out of single quoted identifiers standing out because of the quotes. The rest of the practices are there just to give those single quoted identifiers some standing room.
If you want to see more, please contact subscribing.